Hello everyone, welcome to this problem where we are given a triangular prism which represents a wedge and some of the dimensions are given. Now the key of this particular problem is, are you able to identify key right angle triangles to help us to solve? Alright, so for part A, there are two lengths we are required to find, PK and GK. So for PK, right, which is here, I am going to focus on this triangle because I'm given 25 degrees there. And what do you think this is? P is vertically above K. So this PKH is in fact yes, right angle triangle. We do need to be able to identify and see this visually. So with that, I will then be able to solve it pretty straightforward using Tua, Ka and So. So given Tua, Ka, So. And if I'm required to find my PK, which is the opposite side with respect to this 25 degrees, and 12 will be my adjacent side, O and A, I am going to use tangent ratio. Opposite over adjacent. So therefore, my PK is simply 12 times tangent 25 degrees. And this will be equals to 5.569 to about 6 significant figures. 5.60 cm 3SF. And for my GK, this is lying flat down there. And since I'm given 38 degrees and 12 cm, I'm going to focus on this. And what do you think this triangle is? Yes, this is also for my GK. I'm going to draw below. So my GK H. This is also a 90 degree right angle triangle as well. And from here, I can just apply my Tua, Ka, So. So given the Tua, Ka, So again, Tua, Ka, So, the three trigonometric ratios, what can we apply this time round? With respect to this angle here, I need to find my GK. So my GK is my hypo. I'm given KH. OH. Yep. I am going to tap on the sine ratio in this case. Alright. So let's stay focused on this sketch here. So sine 38 degree will be equals to opposite, which is 12, over my hypo, which is the GK, the length that I am supposed to find. And the next step will require us to do some algebraic manipulation, meaning I'm going to multiply GK on both sides as well as dividing sine 38 degrees on both sides to give me this particular line. And this will yield 19.4912 to about 6 significant figures before the final answer. 19.5 cm to 3SF. Now, going back to the question, we are required to find KGP. So, K G P is this particular green color triangle, and since PK is vertical to the horizontal plane GK, this is actually a, yes, for those who realize, another right angle triangle, which Mr. Tan here is going to sketch out again. So I will have my G PK here. And do we know our GK from previously? Yes. We also know our PK from previous answer, which is 5.59569 and 19.4912. And that's what I am going to write it down here. So I will have my 5.59569 and my 19.4912. Notice that Mr. Tan here do not use the answer to 3 sig fig, because Mr. Tan always try to use the figures that has more significant figure. That is the more accurate figure that we need to use. And KGP will be this angle here. So applying Tua Castle again, I will have my opposite and my adjacent side. So with my Tua Castle, given my O and my A, yes, I am going to tap on my tangent ratio. KGP will be equals to opposite over my adjacent side. So therefore, my angle KGP is simply the tangent inverse of this fraction. And this will give me a value of 16.0181 to about 6 significant figure. Final answer, 16.0 degrees to 1 decimal place. We have come to the end of this particular example. So if you like this video at any point in time, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and have a nice day while we explore more mathematics problems.